We got two knives, actually one, to sharpen fully. This one we're gonna do a touch-up on with the 3000 grit whetstone. But this one, this is a Kaiser N690 steel that we're gonna sharpen on the T8 Tormek. Said that backwards. Get our knife jig. Sitting at 20 degrees. Got a bit more water. Almost forgot, we gotta test the knife sharpness before we even do this. If you could see this, that'd be great. If not, I'll be honest. 535. Let's bring you back to life. Isn't that such a satisfying sound? Now we go back to the other side. Just love doing that. Let's test. 220. I'm gonna run it across this 3000 grit whetstone to give it a nice little bit of a polished edge. Alright, now let's do a quick hone. That thing never gets lighter. Let's test. Activate, slide, position, reset. Grab you first. 65. Easy. Done. Now you. See if you're down lower than 220. 85. Whetstone definitely brought out some of that reflection. I can almost see my beautiful smile. Got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. These are a free knife sharpening that I'm doing for a guy on TikTok. Thanks for sending them out. I look forward to doing more knives.